Land Use Planning in Florida, the Growth Management Act. Concurrency provision mandates that infrastructure needed to support the development is in place before development is allowed. The Florida Growth Policy and Community Planning Act, concurrency required for sanitary sewer, solid waste, drainage, and potable water. Eliminated concurrency for transportation, facilities, schools, and parks and recreation. Zoning regulations uses police power to regulate the permissible uses of the land, the lot sizes, the type of structures, building heights, setback requirements, and density. Subdivision regulations establish the standards, specifications, and procedures for street signs, street lights, fire hydrants, storm drains, sanitary sewers, curbs, gutters, and sidewalks. Zoning Code Appeals and Exceptions. Zoning Board of Adjustment. When it comes to a non-conforming use, that's the change in zoning causing the property to no longer conform. They may continue as a non-conforming use. Remember, grandfathered in. That's where this comes in. Variance permits minor deviation. Now, there has to be a hardship related to the land use, and the board has established a criteria. And then special exception is a special separate use for a specific parcel. A planned unit development has clustered homes, same overall density, and large green spaces between the clusters. It also is mixed land use with single-family housing, multifamily housing, townhouses or apartments, and some even have retail and office facilities. Community Development District are independent special districts that service the long-term needs of its community. It is an alternative way to fund and construct capital infrastructure. The developer finances the construction of the infrastructure by issuing bonds. The CDD tax assessments are in addition to your city and county property taxes and require disclosure statements. The National Flood Insurance Program. If the community participates in the NFIP, National Flood Insurance Program, available to owners and tenants and businesses, flood insurance. It's administered by FEMA, and it's for those in the special flood hazard areas known as the 100-year floodplain.